Hi. Today we're going to tell you about how to stay away from AdMob invalid traffic. Let's get started. Invalid traffic can be the result of activity of bot traffic on your website. Malicious invalid traffic can damage your website's reputation, obtain suspension from Google, and create a loss in ad revenue. A lot of websites get a lot of ad clicks and impressions with no real users involved, which is referred to as invalid traffic. It's usually caused by software that's designed to automate certain tasks. There are several ways a publisher can avoid invalid traffic: consider the user base and offer a clean and natural experience to the users. Ensure that ads are not placed intentionally or misleadingly. Implement ads on the app in accordance to the compliances put forth by Google AdMob. Publishers should avoid clicking ads while testing. They should also be aware of the various factors that affect their app's traffic and user behavior. They should additionally explore all the ad formats that are available to them and ensure that they do not lead to clicks. Hope you found the information useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our videos with other great Google marketing solutions for your business. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.